Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Go to FX Library, go to Templates and folder where you extracted the file. I have here in the backgrounds, drag and drop abstract background number 25, like this. I will go inside custom nodes and I will choose a media out full HD. I will arrange tools to the grid and line up all tools to the grid. And just connect to the media out. Press 2 on the keyboard for media out and you will get the background. And here when you ungroup you will get this very big tree. But let me show you what's going on here. This one is the background. This background gradient. You will see that I have the background here. And this is just for changing the color. Now what I did here is take another background, change the alpha all the way to 0. And now I can just slide this slider to change the color. If I want to change the shape, go on this background and you can change here start and the end of X and Y axis, or you can just click here and drag and drop. It looks quite cool. And then go to this background and change the color if you wish. If you don't want, you can use just black and white. Just disconnect. And the shape here for the right side, just connect. And this is it. I added shadow. You can everything here you can adjust and play around with it. And drag like this. And down here is on the left side. Just connect like this. And the last one here is particle emitter. Just connect. And here on particle emitter you can choose the number. Then you can recede to change the location like this. And this is it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.